One. Other forward number 55, Hisham Mampao. And man in the middle, number 58.
7 a.m. nga naman ang first game natin. So, may unting warm-up factor pa. Sarap ang aircon natin sa venue.
Baka medyo kulang pa nga sa warm-up. Hindi pa medyo too short para dito kay Sumagi.
Mahirap yung tira na yun, no? It was a step back three-pointer.
Although, naging dual pa yung purpose. At champion pa sila doon. Yun yung maganda doon. Talking about the confidence, of course, right now, ang record nila here in the junior MPBL.
Confidence because yan ang previous game nila, only making 7 field goal attempts in that game against UC pa sa mga players na parating for Leyte. He was talking about, I think, the younger brother of Camille Clarin. He already saw action.
Sino nga yun?
Clarin.
Oh, siya yung probably still adjusting to the system here. Especially on Nueva Ecija de Generals is currently on top here, 15-6. Early steal snatched by Nueva Ecija de Generals. Rebound secured. Nakuha na yan ng de Generals. Isham Pointer. Mukhang maganda naging balasa ng players dito para sa side ng Leyte Shore Homes. Getting their groove. Tama tayo kay Nicole.
Even their head coach won't be able to attend their game today as Coach Mark is not feeling well. This won't stop the Generals. Katulad nga na nabanggit ni Nathan Maghinay, importante daw.
Generals, but for some reason, kung minsan, kapag wala yung coach mo, iba rin yung drive para kunin yung panalong ko. Especially para sa side ng Nueva Ecija de Generals. Saan hinahanap?
And looking very proud of his boys.
Of course, let's wish get well soon para kay Coach Mike Luzon to strengthen their lineup and to keep syempre yung kanilang quarterfinals. Generals 55-40. What a finish para dito kay Hisham Mampao. PBL Davao leg, and right now mukhang magandang pinakita niya doon, kaya ngayon dito naman siya magbibigay ng ambag sa Nueva Ecija de Generals.
Right on cue. Hisham